Hello and welcome back to my beginner's tutorial for programming in C and C++. In this video, we'll be building off of our Hello World program that we made in part 1 by taking input from the user. First, we'll need somewhere to store the input we get, so we'll make a variable called input that stores 20 characters. To do this, we'll first type the name of the variable type, which is char, followed by the name, input, and then some square brackets with the number of characters, 20. Also remember that every line needs a semicolon after it. Now we can use another function called scanf. By typing the following line, this will let us get some input from the user. By giving it %s, we're telling it that we're looking for a string, or a list of characters. Then by giving it our variable, it will know where to place that string. Now we can print the variable back out using another printf. Like scanf, we're telling printf to expect a string with %s, and then giving it our variable to know where to get that string from. We should also change the first message so that the user knows that they're supposed to give input. Now let's save, compile, and run our program. We can see that it asks for us to type, takes input, and then prints our input back out. This looks like it works, but if we type more than one word, it'll only take the first word. This is a problem, so let's change our code to fix it. Instead of scanf, we can use another function called fgetS. This is usually used for reading data from files, but it can also read data from the input the user is giving using standard in as the source. First, let's type fgetS and give it the variable we're storing the input into. Then the size of our variable, which is 20, and then stdin to tell it to read from standard in. Now let's save, compile, and run our program again. And we can see that it is successfully taking both words. Before moving on, you should comment the program you just made to make sure you know exactly how everything works. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll be describing variables in more detail, such as the different types you can have, as well as their different uses.